Hey, strategic thinkers, welcome back. Today we're exploring a cornerstone of business success, brand management. From the early days of mass production to our modern, fast-paced digital world, brand management has always been about making your product or service stand out. In this video, I'll show you how prompts from AI-powered Strategic Thinker 3, with help from ChatGPT, can guide you through defining, planning, and rolling out a powerful brand identity. Let's dive in. Brand management isn't just about cool logos or catchy slogans, it's about strategic thinking. By aligning your brand's core values and message with the needs of your target audience, you'll build trust, foster loyalty, and gain a competitive edge. Ready to see how ChatGPT can accelerate this process? Our first ChatGPT prompt is to define your brand by stating a clear and consistent brand identity. What message reflects your company's values and mission? This step helps you pinpoint exactly what your brand stands for. Are you about sustainability, innovation, tradition, or something else entirely? ChatGPT can refine your brand's core message into a concise statement that resonates with customers. Next, we tell ChatGPT, conduct market research, list your target audience demographics, identify key competitors, and note any industry trends informing the brand strategy. By analyzing your ideal customers, who they are, what they value, and the landscape of your competition, ChatGPT points out where your brand can stand out or fill a gap in the market. Then we say, create a brand plan outlining your brand positioning, messaging strategy, and communication strategies, plus who they will target. ChatGPT weaves this all together into a cohesive plan. Positioning sets you apart. Messaging conveys why you matter, and your communication strategies define how you'll interact with each audience segment. Think of it as your brand roadmap. Next, we use the prompt. Provide a step-by-step for rolling out the brand across all touchpoints. List websites, social media plans, advertising partners, and customer interactions. ChatGPT maps out your entire brand launch. Everything from updating your company website and social media banners to forging alliances with influential partners. It even suggests the types of customer interactions you'll have, like hosting webinars, Q&A sessions, or experiential pop-ups. Finally, we incorporate a Premortem analysis with the instruction. Play devil's advocate. What adjustments are needed? ChatGPT highlights potential pitfalls. Maybe your messaging is too broad, or you're missing a critical channel. By simulating worst-case scenarios, you catch problems before they arise and refine your brand strategy to withstand market twists and turns. And there you have it, brand management supercharged by ChatGPT. From nailing your brand identity and researching your audience to planning a multi-channel rollout and stress testing your strategy, these prompts from AI-powered Strategic Thinker 3 give you a comprehensive toolkit for building a brand that people can't ignore. If you found this helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and check out AI-powered Strategic Thinker 3 for more AI-driven insights. Let's keep your brand unstoppable.